Good morning from sunny Netherlands. Beautiful day.
Beautiful bike.
And a beautiful bike.
And a beautiful exhaust.
Exhaust. Now
Bike is
warmed up already. And we made a video before from this bike, but now you can see the paintwork is it's amazing. It's new. And we cleaned up the bike a bit. And we want to let you hear the sound in the street here. Wow, the first video got 1.2 million views just on starting it, so we expect more views now. What a bike and what a sound. And the only thing is that this bike is not for sale. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it for myself because we need to make another video on where we can have it on well, high speed. Johan can drive. But if you're looking for a CBX, we have another one in red, a beautiful one, but not with the 6-in-6, because they are not produced anymore. And well, sometimes you can find some or one and you can mount it, and then you get this effect, this sound. Whoa. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like it, please subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on our Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and visit the website. And I'll show you, we have another one. Thank you, Johan. Perfect. He's the man, eh? Well, we have another one here, and that one is for sale. Beautiful. Here it is, in red. Very nice bike, but a 6-in-2 on it. Probably going to make a video from this one this afternoon. Depends on we have the time. And that's for sale. So if you're interested, contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.